Hi guys, it's Laura from Mad Mimi's Crochet and Persephone. She's a little freaked out right now. We just had an earthquake. It was pretty cool. It's the first one I felt this year. Oh, we have tons and tons of them. Most of them small. I think, if I remember, I think they said this one was a 3.7 magnitude. And it was maybe just a couple miles. I think they said it was like 11 miles from Esther, and we're probably about maybe about 13 miles from Esther, and it was south of that, so maybe about 20 miles away or so. But she got kind of freaked out, and since she's been acting like this, I can't even remember why I came on to talk to you guys about. Oh, we're having a heat wave too. It is 2 degrees above zero. Woohoo! It's time to bring out the bathing suits. Well, since I can't remember what I was going to talk about, I will just close this and let you guys know that we are 2 degrees above zero, but we are expected to plummet down to the 20 degree below weather again, starting tomorrow. Or no, it's the next day. I think it's in the teen belows tomorrow. So, yeah, earthquake, 3.7, and it's above zero. That's my news for today. Kind of boring over here. Oh, I do have a doctor's, or 2 doctor's appointments. I go see my diabetes doctor and my GP today. That's it. So, I'll talk to you guys later. Can you say bye-bye? Bye. All right. See you guys later. Bye-bye.